Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the exact files you need. This reduces archive size and speeds compression. Once chosen, right-click and pick the system Compress, or send to right arrow compressed zipped folder, or open your compression app and add items. Make sure to name the ZIP with a clear label and date. This helps later retrieval. If you use a command line, start the zip command now so the process runs while you prep the next steps. You now decide the compression trade-offs. Choose a higher compression level for smaller output, but expect longer processing time and more CPU use. Once set, consider excluding cache or temp files to avoid bloat and enable password-based encryption if the content is private. If the archive is large, split it into parts or use a format like 7Z for better ratios. Make sure to run a quick test extract to verify integrity and confirm the chosen options behaved as expected. You finish by verifying the ZIP. Extract it into a temporary folder and confirm files open correctly, because a successful creation is not proof of integrity. Once verified, distribute via your chosen method and optionally provide a checksum, like SHA-1, so recipients can validate the transfer. If an archive fails or shows corruption, try the compressor's repair option or recompress from the original files. Make sure to check disk health and available space before retrying to avoid repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.